I'm in the middle of a blizzard, but guess what? The show goes on, baby. I'm finna get out with the iPhone XS Max and the brand new Rhinoshield 4K HD and macro lens, and I'm gonna get out and get some shots. Yeah, I'm dedicated, because look, it's not just snowing, it's cold. Like, hold up, player. Let me see y'all. Can y'all see that? 13 degrees. And yesterday it was like wind chills of like -20. It was colder than Antarctica in the Midwest. Ain't that crazy, man? What's going on? How beautiful this place is when the snow is out, baby. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I love it. Woo, look at that home. You know what I'm saying? Ballin'. All right, so right here we got the Rhinoshield. This is one of the, oh, this is the leatherback case. Woohoo, that leather swag feel. I got the lens adapter right there. I'm gonna put the lens on here. I'm gonna put the Rhinoshield 4K HD plus macro lens on this bad boy, and we're gonna go get some shots. It's cold, it is cold, it is cold, but alright, you guys, I'm out here in the snow, baby, dedicated to getting the footage, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna whip out the iPhone XS Max. I'm gonna go get some cinematics. Let me go to my favorite basketball court first, and then we're gonna go over to the jungle gym, get some shots of that. I'm gonna set up over here, and then I'm gonna get up out there. Alright guys, so right now I'm shooting in 4K 30 wide angle lens on the iPhone XS Max, trying to give you an idea of what it will be like if you vlogged with this type of setup, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, obviously at the park, I'm the only one crazy enough to come out here. I did see one other dude out here with his dog. This court, I'm gonna break it in with the footsteps, you know what I'm saying? The Jordan 1s. This is kind of what you can expect, that if you had this setup, the Rhinoshield 4K lens, along with your iPhone XS Max. I'm shooting in 4K 30 frames per second right now. This is the microphone from the iPhone, so everything you're hearing right now, just all organic iPhone and Rhinoshield together, baby. Vlog-tastic. So this is what the setup is, but next I want to get into the cinematics, because I know that's what everyone would love to see, some of the nice B-roll. I'm doing this also too to show you that vlogging with your phone is a good option to start, because a lot of people want to wait until they can get the equipment. They're doing all this research, or they're trying to scrape up the money, but everyone has a smartphone. Now, I am one who is about quality, which is why I'm adding a lens to the smartphone. Now, if you got to start with just the iPhone lens, so be it. I'll demo that against this. Actually, you know what? I could do it right now. This is it without the wide angle lens, vlogging style, if you just had the iPhone hookup. But you already know, we out here with the Rhinoshield. We're gonna hook up the Rhinoshield and boom, back to the wide angle right here, just to give you an idea of the differences you could get. So I'm finna set this, I gotta turn it into slow-mo. So let's get the slow-mo shots going. I'm done. It is way too cold. Like the wind chill, man, it's like Antarctica, and I'm not dressed for Antarctica, as you can see. You feel me? And my hands are freezing. I got on leather gloves and they hurt. I'm done. I'm going to the warm car, to the warm house. I'm wrapping this up. You know what I'm saying? I'm so done. I just threw my phone right in my backpack with the lens on it and all that. Someone call me right now. They can't get to me. I don't care. I'm getting out of here. I'm paying for this. My hands hurt. So, oh. Never again. Never again. Oh my goodness, what was I thinking? I wasn't thinking. Whew. My God. My hands hurt so bad. Hopefully I ain't getting no frostbite, man. I need my fingers. I need to keep creating. Lord, turn that heat up, man. I was dedicated. I was gonna do more shooting, man. I was gonna whip out the Pixel 3 XL and do all this and that. Nope. I got them iPhone shots with the quickness. I was gonna get some MacBook Air shots. I gave up on that. You know, I don't like to quit, which is why I made sure I at least got the iPhone XS Max. At least I got some shots on that though. You know, I made sure I got that done. But in all reality, I shouldn't have had my ass out here. Anyways, let me get up in the house, man. Let me go. Let me get my sanity back. Yeah, I just got back in from the cold. That was a beautiful and terrible idea. It was a beautifully terrible idea. Man, it took a while before my hands stopped hurting and everything. So just off that fact alone, smash that like button and smash that sub button, because I'm dedicated. Now let's talk about what we came to talk about. This right here. Whoo, get away, wait. Come on, focus, camera. Look at that. That is the Rhinoshield. I know, no, not the bag. Hold on, get this out. This right here is the Rhinoshield 4K HD wide angle lens. One of the most affordable lenses on the market. And in combination with that, how it works is if you already have a Rhinoshield case on your iPhone XS, XS Max, or XR, then all you have to do is get the adapter. If you have one of the solid suit, as well as if you have one of the Mod NX cases, you'll be good to go. You just put the adapter right there in the camera slot, literally like that. Remove the little cover over here. Hold on, let's get this right, player. Bam, let's get it. So boom, place it right in there, twist, remove the lens cap, and you got a wide angle lens on the iPhone. Dear Apple, how long have we been waiting for the wide angle lens? What's this, 2019? Until then, we can turn your mobile device into a killer shooting setup right here. Look at this, man. This is about to be, matter of fact, let me just show you something. Hold on, let's get it, you can see right there, that's just evidence of how wide this lens is. This thing is capturing everything, and it's like right here up on me. You see? You see? You see it? So boom, that right there. And then also, let's see, let me go into, boom. It's A1 for video too as well. I'm gonna show you this video, but I got some more, you know, more cinematic outside video. The one I just froze my butt off for, yeah, I'm gonna show you that as well. I just wanted to give you a quick look at how this wide angle lens performs, baby. Look at that bad boy. Woo. So this could be your setup, your running gun setup, and literally when you're not using the lens, you take it off. This is your normal Rhinoshield case. Now the Mod NX case, that's the case of my choice. It has a clear back with the little cutout right there. So you still get the see-through bumper type feel with the Mod NX, and you can also have a lens added on to there. Now you can also, as you can see, there's a slot right there for the telephoto side. Huh, trying to get it in with the telephoto, hold on. So now I have a wide angle portrait. Woohoo, as you can see that, look at that. I see you. Bam. I'm not a fan of the telephoto lenses that are on the back of these cameras nowadays anyway. They tend to be less quality than the main lens, but the fact that I could widen that bad boy up and get a portrait shot, matter of fact, let me take a look at that and see how that. So there's some people out there who maybe want to be a creator or create content, create video content and so forth. This is a good way to enhance the camera on your smartphone and get started now, today, right now. Link in description. Go, go, go. Now, let me show you what my Manfrotto hookup. Let me show you my vlogging setup. Hold on 1 second. Bam. This combo right here is ideal for a killer vlog setup if you're going to use your iPhone. Now you're going to get that wide lens, which is going to help you capture your full shot, as well as you're gonna get the superiority of the iPhone video recording. Out of a lot of the phones, the video recording on the iPhone is the best, or some of the best, but I'm just gonna say it's the best thus far that I've seen. And literally you just slide that right in there, bam, and you can get out there and shoot. Now you can do your slow-mo, get your, matter of fact, let me just stop talking about it. Let me just show you what you can do with this. Impressed? Was that good? Did it look okay? You know what I'm saying? I don't even know yet because I haven't even edited it. You know, I just got to shoot this part and keep it 1000, you know what I mean? But I'll see it when I go to editing, and I hope it looked good. Yeah, it look good. A big reason I push Rhinoshield, I love the quality of the cases. I love the fact that these are super protective cases while being stylish. Now, they got a lot of different solid suits. This one has the leather back. They got some with the carbon fiber. They got something where you can get your own printing on them. Then you got the Mod Index case, which converts from a regular case to just a bumper case. So you got a lot of options, and that one's customizable as far as like the power buttons. Same thing on the solid suits. Now, if I wanted to, you can get color replacing buttons, so you can add your swag to this protective style case, as well as with the Mod Index, you can do it not just on the buttons, but like the rings that go around the bumper and everything. So that just gives you customability. You're able to add a uniqueness and your own swag to these Rhinoshield cases. That's why I stand behind them. I love them. I push them. The links are in the description. Get you one, get you one, get you some, for real, because great quality, protective, which is peace of mind with your device. You know, you can get the impact shields if you're worried about dropping your thing on rocks and stuff or taking random photos like I just did. The options that you get with Rhinoshield are killer. And right now, these lenses are the most competitively priced compared to the other competitors, like for real, for real. Now, eventually down the road, I'm gonna do a shoot off between this one and, you know, the competitors and so forth. But right now, this is the best priced one. Get your Rhinoshield case, get the adapter, throw the lens in your bag, and go out and shoot, create today, and come back to me. Yeah, guys, I forgot to mention that this is a macro lens. I can't believe I forgot to say that. So, as you can see, you're able to get macro shots with this bad boy. So, we can turn the iPhone camera into a super macro. And get right up on the material for that. You see those speaker holes? Bam. I'm trying to showcase like the materials of a product. Bam. Get right up on that logo. Boom. Killer, killer, killer. So this lens is very versatile. I forgot to mention, I can't believe I forgot to even shout that out. Like literally the wide angle lens unscrews from this bad boy and you're able to take macro shots. So not only will you enjoy wide shots, you can enjoy macro shots as well. So, bam, boom. 2 lenses in one, killer deal. Like I swear, for the value and the price point that this is at in comparison to the other competitors, killing the game, hands down. Go get you one of these Rhinoshields, pick one up. I got links in the description down below. Get yourself right. Anyways, my name is CJ. This is CJ Knows Tech, where I love to talk tech and anything creative. I just showed you the Rhinoshield 4K HD on the iPhone. And it's not focusing, it's just still focusing on me. I'm gonna end on that note, y'all. Peace. If I find my remote. I always gotta look for my remote, you know what I'm saying?